Here's another Monte Carlo Designer Max ceiling fan. This one's the second one, the weight room I've filmed for this year. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing start out flow. These fans look nice, but yeah, these use 180s, as I said, with the other one. But you can definitely tell it's running just fine, but that's low. It's good medium. You can tell it does move a decent breeze, but you can tell that's medium. Let's go up to high, shall we? As I said earlier, these things really don't put up very much air for a fan with the 188 in here. But as you can tell, it's flush mounted, so what do you expect? As I said with the last one, so because there's not enough room for the air to go between the blades and all that, so. But it does move air, weirdly, but it does move air at least. But you get the point and the gist of it. But it's not my most favorite fan. And that's it with this one.